More than a century before the invention of the automobile, France introduced the world to the cabriolet, a two-wheeled, horse-drawn carriage intended for short jaunts about town. The compact carriage notably featured a folding roof that could be tucked away in good weather or raised to protect passengers from nature's elements. Although the cabriolet carriage was long ago succeeded by the automobile, the principles of the 18th century rig's trick folding top live on in modern-day convertibles such as the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300 Cabriolet. First introduced for the 2017 model year, the C300 Cabrio is the newest member of the German brand's compact C-Class family. Like Mercedes-Benz's larger E and S-Class convertibles, the C300 Cabriolet forgoes a fancy retractable hardtop for a simpler soft top. The power-operated cloth roof is well insulated and stows beneath the car's integrated rear tonneau cover in less than 20 seconds, and while traveling at speeds up to 31 mph, a full 20 miles per hour greater than the limit for the BMW 4 Series convertible. The C300's roof also can be raised in less than 20 seconds, again at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. While BMW claims the 4 Series S retractable hardtop adds a whopping 463 pounds to the two doors curb weight, on our scales the C300 Cabriolet weighed a less egregious 236 pounds more than a similarly equipped 2017 C300 Coupe. The extra heft didn't seem to bother the car's 241 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, which pushed the rear-wheel drive convertible to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds and through the quarter-mile in 14.7 seconds at 94 miles per hour, figures that are nearly identical to those of the C300 Coupe. A likely reason the Cabriolet keeps pace with the lighter Coupe is its smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, which subs in for the 7-speed unit found in the 2017 C300 Coupe and sedan. For the 2018 model year, all C300 body styles feature the 9-speed automatic, only the Cabrio had it in 2017. The upgraded gearbox also benefited the C300's passing performance, with this cabriolet scooting from 30 to 50 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and from 50 to 70 miles per hour in 4.6. Both times are 0.1 second ahead of the 7-speed C300 Coupe.